Hey, Papa, si Dwaine ngayon ini. Okay man, Papa. Papa, may balita ko imo. Kuan, lolo ka na.
You're beautiful, you shine like the stars.
So, nag-chat ako sa family ko sa group chat namin. At ito yung mga sinasabi nila. Send ako sa kanila ng pictures ni Bebe. Ayun. Yung mama ko, ayaw niya sa pangalan niya. Sabi ni Adam, maputi daw siya. VJ says he's pretty. Pero wag sobrang pretty, ha?
Hey, hello?
Hello! Yano?
Oh,
Si Dwaine man ini.
kumusta?
Kuan, nag-anak na si Shanta. Tito ka na. Hello, nanay.
Uy, congratulations, nabaruan.
Lola ka na, nanay. Lola ka na. Diri ka na, nanay Eden. Lola Eden ka na.
Hindi ako mapatawagin Lula. Ay man, lalo.
Lalo na la.
Santa, you know, to spot the baby, so it's a lovely surprise, and it's so good to see her.
That's right.
How was it, Santa? Was it worse than you thought?
No, I went straight from 5 centimeters to 9, and I didn't feel pain until they put epidural or something. And then it was just like I can feel the sensation, but like I didn't feel any pain.
I mean, for first baby, I tell you, next baby you better cancel the hospital. Second baby come faster.
Yeah, yeah. But I was only in the labor room for 1 hour.
You what?
I was in the labor room for 1 hour. Kinanglan Australian accent.
Yeah. Very beautiful baby. He's got Shanta's eyes, but then he's got a mix of my eyes as well.
Yeah, I think we can see your eyes with him.
Yeah.
That we won't be able to hold it in our arms for who knows how long.
I know, yeah, that's what sucks about having a baby in a pandemic.
Yeah.
And so I was like, you know, they washed him. She's like, they washed him. Oh my gosh, she like freaked out. And I was like, yeah. And then she's like, oh, and then I said, yeah. And then they said that he had pneumonia. And she was like, what? She's like, babies can't get pneumonia in the womb. And I was like, yeah, that's what I thought. And she was like, it's not pneumonia. And I was like, well, they said that he had like fluid in his lungs. And she's like, that's because they washed him. And like, rah, rah, rah. She like freaked out.
Really?
She's like, what? She's like, that baby just needs his mum and he needs breast milk. That's what he needs. She's freaking out. That's what she's telling me. You're engorged. That means obviously like your milk has come in.
Yeah, yeah.
But you don't want to get mastitis. So if you're engorged, you need to be
Massaging. And warm compress.
Yes.
May ganun. Yeah. No, I said it in Tagalog. You enroll to Phil Talk.
Hi, I'm Greg, and I use Phil Talk.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
Ako di ay si Dwaine, ug na ako'y Phil Talk.
Magandang Phil Talk kasi para siyang social media para sa Pilipinas. At para rin sa mga dayuhan na gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya. It connects Filipinos to people from other countries na interesado sa ating kultura.
Phil Talk is great because now my husband can learn to speak my native language.
Yeah, so if you talk about me, I'll understand. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Sign up to Phil Talk today!
Hey guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Before we finish this video, I'm going to do shoutouts. Pero grabe ang itsura ko ngayon, no? Para akong Wolverine. I need a haircut kasi. Tsaka wala akong damit. Matamad maglaba. I'm gonna freshen up and then we're gonna do some shoutouts na may magandang background. Ayan, yan ang magandang background natin. Okay, Tonde fam, it's shoutout time. Now, una sa lahat, ang ating unang shoutout goes out to a convert. Converted to si Cindy Janet Ganancial. Dati, di ko to gusto. Pero now, love ko na sila. Ganun lang talaga si Miss Shanta talaga pag bebe. Bagay naman sa kanya. Daming inggitera sa earth. Kim Jacob. Kim Jacob, when Shanta has signs to have milk na normal pong masakit at swollen ang breast niya na parang bato sa tigas. Compress it with warm or lukewarm water using a clean cloth and massage lightly para soft ang milk, then ipadede ni baby or pump. Okay, thank you for the advice, Kim Jacob. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagko-comment na nagbigay ng advice sa amin. We need it right now kasi we're first-time parents. Reika Studio! I'm glad that the doctor checked his fluid and electrolyte, which is very important to maintain the pH balance in the body, especially the potassium electrolyte, which affects the heart. Either the baby is suffering from hypo or hyperkalemia. I'm glad the potassium level is normal. She mentioned something about the platelets, which plays a vital role in the clotting system of the body. I believe the doctor ordered a CBC with differential lab test posted from Los Angeles, California. Okay, maraming salamat, Ray, sa mga advice na binibigay mo. Next we have Linda De Vera. Actually, I got 5 children. Wow. My mom has 6 children. I'm the oldest of 6. But no breast milk at all, even before pregnancy. My OB-GYN advised to take more soup, but no way to have milk. So we use pumping machine to have milk, but still no milk at all. My sister had the same condition, so all my milk I use powder milk, and my doctor has lots of advice, but still no milk. Grabe. Good luck sa inyo. Congrats to proud parents. We love you, Shanta, from Anaheim, CA. Is that California? Australian, kasi ako di ko alam eh. CCLCO14 says, prayer for baby he's be okay tomorrow at magkasama niyo na siya bukas. God bless to both of you. Yes, sana talaga. Actually, mamaya, pupunta kami sa hospital to check up on baby and hopefully he can get breastfed na. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa mga video namin about baby. Okay, thank you so much for your support and all your prayers. We really appreciate it and nagulat kami sa dami nang nag-react at nagko-comment ng mga maganda. So thank you so much and we'll see you in the next Dwata vlog. Bye for now.